Let's break down a simple path to financial freedom from a really unlikely source. It's a question we've all asked. It feels like the system just wants us to fail. But this guy, Andrew Hollum, proved you don't need a huge income. Here's his blueprint. Okay, rule number one, and this is the big one, the real battle for wealth is all in your head. It's this brain quirk, loss aversion, and it makes us do dumb things when markets get shaky. Your brain sees a market dip and reacts like it's a lion. That same fight or flight instinct kicks in. This shows just how expensive fear can be. Staying calm is where the real money is made. All right, rule number two, stop focusing on looking rich, focus on actually being rich. Loud wealth is often just debt in disguise. Quiet wealth, that's a fortress built to last. Think of your money like an army. Every dollar you invest goes out and recruits more soldiers. And this is the engine that builds that army for you. It's the closest thing we have to actual magic. Just look at this curve. Over 90% of Buffett's wealth was built after age 60. That's the power of time. So where do you put this money to work? The answer is simple. You buy everything. An index fund lets you buy a tiny piece of the entire market. It's simple, it's diverse, and it works. But the really crucial part here is the cost. High fees will absolutely destroy your returns over time. Over your lifetime, that seemingly small difference in fees can cost you, well, a fortune. So what's the recipe for building your portfolio? You really only need two key ingredients. Think of it this way. Stocks help you get rich, and bonds help you stay rich. Then, just once a year, you do a quick tune-up. This forces you to buy low and sell high automatically. Okay, now for a huge warning. A lot of advisors aren't paid to help you. They're paid to sell to you. This one question can save you. If the answer feels off or it's complicated, just walk away. Because at the end of the day, this is the real goal. Not stuff, but the freedom to own your time. So the real question is, what does that freedom look like for you?